Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 1 of the Lincoln Rehab. So we've just been handed the keys to what amounts to this beautiful 1970s sort of hodgepodge of a house. We're going to be doing a hallway rehab here. We're going to be ripping up this slate tile, and then we're going to continue that into the bathroom, which you see at the end of the hall right there. So this is a challenging project for a number of reasons. The first reason is we're in the middle of the house right here. We've got the living room off to the left. We've got the stairs up to the bedrooms right here in the middle. We've got the dining room to the right. And then following through the hallway, we got the kitchen off to the right, and then the living room again off to the left into this bathroom. Now this bathroom is badly in need of an update. So it's so bad that we're actually going to call it a rehab. We've got this just glued on full-size mirror here. We've got this dated vanity. We've got a very small toilet over there. We've got just a very boring tile on the floor, nothing exciting to look at there. And then turning it right here, of course, so it's got a washer and a dryer. We've got this, what amounts to an impractical folding area here. There's just a lot of space and there's not too much we can do with it. Homeowners have already been testing out some colors. As you see here, they've got some swatches. And then the other thing that's got a little impractical is we got some dueling doors here, as we've got this little deep closet. And so there's a lot that can be done in this small bathroom, really just kind of optimize this space. So we're going to blow out this closet. We're going to push the wash and dryer over to the left. We're going to put a cabinet in here, and then we're going to put a new top. And it's going to be one of the wooden tops with some breadboards and a nice stained finish. The new tiles are going to go down. They got a beautiful pattern, hexagonal tile that's going to go down in here just to kind of liven things up. We're going to put a new toilet fixture in. We're going to do a new vanity. So this is going to be a fun project. It's not really moving anything in terms of electrical or plumbing, so it's going to be a quick project. Like I said, we're in the middle of the house here, so we told them we're going to get it done in 2 weeks. And so that's 2 weeks to rip everything up, to put down new tiles in the hallway, and then just to completely rehab this bathroom, make it more practical, more fun, and easier to use. So that's it, day number 1. This is going to be a big demo day, but I wanted to get in my first video of this project before we start getting everything all closed up and plasticing up the walls, and then just start chewing up this floor. So stay tuned as we go through this project. We'll see you for day 2.